nice tool that Aaron Barker just informed me about this morning that we in the math department might be interested in. Um, we have a tool like this in the classrooms already called Softbook Notebear, but I really like this one. This one allows you to draw things like vectors, for instance. I can draw vectors from points to points. If I create a point here and say here is one vector, and this would be the vector sum diagram. Here's another vector. Here's another vector. Sorry. I'm going to delete that one. I'm using this wrong, unfortunately. So I want to draw a vector from here up to here, and I want to draw a vector from here over to here. And if that was the forces acting on a body, for instance, 4 different forces, and we wanted to add them together, we could start a vector sum diagram and switch to, from here, I want to take that force, and then I want to start another, this force from there, and then I want to take this force right here and add it to that, and then I want to start the next force there and add this one, and then I want to draw the resultant, which is from here to here. At the same time that the vectors are being drawn, sizes are being put in coordinates right in here, so we can draw them using the coordinates. And the last vector that I drew was E right here, which I can switch to polar coordinates and find that it's nope, E is this one over here, that's point E, sorry. Vector E, this one here, switch it to polar coordinates, and it is now 1 unit long at an angle of 270 degrees. Any of them can go either polar or rectangular. Anyway, good stuff for vectors, that particular tool I was just showing you. Another one you might be interested in is the ability to draw any equation very easily down at the bottom of the screen here. If I write y equals 2x plus 3 and hit enter, there it is. By the way, the axes can be put on. I just put the axes on or turned off. I'm just right clicking and clicking axes. I can take the grid off. I can put them back on again. I can put the axes back on. So if you don't want the axes there, just want a drawing pad, go right ahead. You can also put in cubes and squares. Y equals x squared. There's a key over here for putting in 2, 3, 4, whatever. Y equals x squared plus 2. Nice one, Dave. Y equals x squared anyway, there's y equals x squared. I didn't get in plus 2 in there for some reason. And the equations are recorded here. These can also be dragged to a new position. What happens when you shift this one over to the right? It becomes y equals x squared minus 8x plus 15.98. Probably only because of where I put it. If we put it at that location, there we have y equals x squared plus 2. Shift this line. It was y equals 2x plus 3. Now it is y equals 2x minus 10. Some good stuff in here for either in the classroom. By the way, this is a free tool, and it is JavaScript. You can use it in the classroom. You can recommend the students use it. You can create, if you want this as a diagram for your class. By the way, if I just roll the mouse here, I I can zoom in, zoom out, whatever part you want. And if you want to use this diagram for class, we can export it as a PDF. Exporting as a PDF is Adobe readable and distribute it that way. There we go. Done. Equations can be entered by spreadsheet also. I haven't tried that yet, but anyway, nice little tool. Thought you might want to take a look at it. Again, it's called GeoGebra, and the address to get it, I will send it out in an email.